What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be installing my GTR style taillights on my Q50, and also I'm gonna see if I could get on these M style mirror caps. I told y'all I had a lot. Oh, let me turn down this AC. Actually, it's probably hella loud. My bad about the AC, but I told you guys in past videos that I had a lot of stuff as far as like, you know, mods and stuff like that. But you know, I know you guys may watch the goodbye video or whatever I called it, I don't know, but like I said, I do plan on still uploading. It's just not going to be as frequent as you guys are used to seeing, you know what I'm saying? Like, I only plan on real life uploading if, you know, I do something, or, you know, I just have like a good video idea or something like that. You know, I'll go ahead and upload for you guys. But, you know, like I promised that, you know, I'm gonna still upload videos of whatever I do to the Q50, so you guys can still see the progress on the Q50. So you know, I don't like to break my promises, but I do have a lot more mods. You know, I can go ahead and mention it now because it really don't matter. I still got a spoiler, I got a remote start that I gotta hook up. Also, I got 2 vibrant resonators. So I still got a little bit more parts left that I still got to put on, and then, you know, plus extra stuff that I want to do, like, you know, chrome delete, and maybe find some wheels on marketplace or something like that. So, you know, it's a lot that I want to do for the Q50, but, you know, I just don't want it to be like, oh, I got to do something, you know, just for YouTube. You know, now I'm just like kind of turning this thing into a hobby for real, instead of me trying to make a career. But if it happens, then it happens. But if it don't, it don't. I just love making content, and I want to bring you guys along my car journey like I promised. So that's enough yapping. I think I yapped enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera out as soon as I get to Mark's. I know y'all haven't seen him in a while, boy. So yeah, Mark is gonna be doing my tail lights like he did for the G. So let's get it, man. I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get to Mark. All right, y'all, for y'all who never seen what they look like, this is what they look like right here. Got the halo around it. That's what I really like about these. What I really wanted to do to my G37 was I wanted to add the halo lights. This is the other light or whatever. Let me pull it out the wrapping so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks real nice. I think it's gonna look real nice on the car. What you guys think? I've been wanting to do this since I got the Q50. So I actually ordered these at South Bay when they had like a big sale. So usually these lights be going for like almost $600. I bought it for like $300. So I bought them at half off, so which was a cool little deal. And yeah, we're gonna see what they look like. Hopefully they look good. Ooh, I didn't mean to close that. The old lights, out with the old, about to be in with the new, and I'm excited about that. Open this back up. And also, I might be throwing these on. The M style mirror caps, man. The M style mirror caps, brother. It's time to make this Q50 look, you know, somewhat presentable, you know, even with the bad paint and the bumper and all that. But let's make it look presentable. Add more stuff later down the line, but yeah, definitely about to add. Well, I'm gonna try to add those today too, but this is the main priority. All right, y'all, we got one of them in. It's looking good so far, but I don't want to turn on the lights just yet. I just seen it. You know, I want both of them in so y'all can really see it. But yeah, that thing looking nice, boy. Sheesh. All right, y'all, the first video I was recording on my GoPro, but I ain't gonna lie, I had this stuff installed for a little minute now. The car went in the shop. As you see, I have no tint on the windshield. Now, you know, that'll be the next video, dealing with that shop or whatever. But yeah, let me show you guys the final reveal of the Q50. You guys see, I got the M style mirror caps now, bro. Like, I think this gives it a little bit of aggression. Gives a little bit of aggression, especially like in the front end. I love how the way the mirror, like these point out, especially like when I'm driving and I see it, I'm like, oh yeah, that's definitely pretty cool. So I'm happy about that. And let me show you guys the tail lights, bro. The tail lights is insane, bro. Look at this. Don't mind that. It just fell out, but I'm gonna pop it back in. But look, these things look clean. I don't know if you guys are able to see the lights because it's daytime. I may have to re-record this part. You can't really see what it looks like. I might have to go through like some shade to show you guys, but yeah, they look clean. Well, you can kind of see it a little bit. They look clean, especially at night, bro. Like, they look nice. And I'm gonna show you guys like the blinker too. See the blinkers. It's clean. Clean. Now, I was a little skeptical about these lights when I was looking it up on the internet because they kind of give you like a Mazda feel a little bit, because it's not like a complete circle. The circle like cuts off right here. Like, I kind of wish they would have made it into a complete circle. I feel like that look so good, like so much better. But the lights actually don't look bad. It definitely gives it a better look. Oh, I didn't even know this blinks too, right here. Oh, I didn't even know that. But it definitely gives it like a different look. It looks way aggressive in the back. I do like these over the OEMs. I didn't really like them online, but now that I'm seeing them in person, I like them a lot. I feel like these look so good, especially at night. To me, it kind of gives it that Skyline feel. You know, these are called Skylines in Japan, so it kind of gives it that Skyline feel, that JDM feel. And you guys know that I have JDM lights with my G35, so I was like, you know, it's only right to throw them on the Q. Well, these are not the official ones. These are like aftermarket. And the one thing about aftermarket is that it has like some gaps right here. As you can see, it's a little gap. And then, dang, this is, look, scratch my tail light. And then right here, it doesn't like completely go in right there. And then same thing for right here. It's not like completely like flushed or whatever. But that's really like the only thing. But you know, well, aftermarket headlights, they can never like really get it right. So, but that's really the only thing. That's my only complaint when it comes with the, you know, the Q50 and these GTR style taillights. Happy about them. I'm happy I got them. I definitely wanted to save these. Like, my plan was to put these on, put those mirror caps on, and I have a wing that I'll be putting on too. Maybe this weekend. I might take it to Mark and put the new wing on this weekend. It's the carbon fiber wing. And I wanted to wait till I get the chrome delete done. But since I'm not really like heavily involved with YouTube like I was anymore, I'm like, you know, I'm gonna just throw it on. I paid money for this stuff. I'm about to start getting this stuff out the house and start putting stuff on. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put that carbon fiber wing on probably this weekend and keep this, probably repaint it black, and then if I want to get it, you know, put it back on my car, I'll put it back on my car. But yeah, man, like, Q50 got a different look to it, bro. Show y'all again in the front how it looks. Looking clean, looking clean, looking clean. What y'all think? Is it looking clean? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. How we looking? How we looking? But yeah, I'm about to jump in the car for this last part because it's extremely hot.